Dear friend, once again welcome to Open Talk. Actually today in this video I'm gonna make a review about collapsible green skin with both side cotton. Actually previously I have used this type of clothing for green skin, like I just hang with my wall and make videos from here, but no more this kind of things. Actually I don't like this on. So today I bought a collapsible green skin and I hope if you see you will like it. It's cool actually. So I just bought it. So now I'm gonna open this cover and let you show how good it is. It's foldable. You can fold it. You can fold it and you can carry it to anywhere, and it's really handy. And in this price, it's good, I think. You can see this is our cover, and this is our green skin. It has two color, blue and green, and it's very easy. Let's open it. Boom. Yeah, this is our green skin. It's actually pure color, you can see, pure color, and it's cool really. And it's the cotton. Its cotton is really soft, and it's very good. And you can see its weight, it's huge. Yeah, it's very hard for me to carry it. And both sides you can use any of this side, and you can fold it anytime. You can carry it with your bag anywhere. So let's make a video and remove the back skin from here. You can see my camera is very far from this green skin, and it doesn't have that much lighting in my room. I'm just using my window for lighting. So let's just try. I'll remove this background and I'll let you show how good it is. So let's try it. So you can see it's cool, huh? So I'm gonna remove this green skin in this video, then you will understand how good it is. Although I don't have light in my room, you can see I don't have any light. Using my window for lighting. So to buy this, you can check out my description box, and for Bangladeshi people you can buy it from BD shop. So thank you for watching.